Hi, Mustafa. I spoke to Marja earlier today. I'm Lee from Otters SEO, and I created a custom video for you to show you how you can improve your online presence and get more customers through the door. These tips and tricks are completely free, and I really hope you can use it and to improve your business. I know you don't have a website at the moment, so the way I'm going to do it, I'm going to take a look at your competitors and see what they are doing and how potentially you can do something similar and get those jobs. So looking at the Google search, the first guys that I see here on Google, number one, if I open up their website, you'll see they've got quite a nice looking website. But the first thing I want to cover is website content. You'll see they have probably about 500 words of content, and that's probably not enough. Google recommends that you have between 1,500 and 2,000 words of content on your homepage. And the reason for that is that when they go out and they search the area, the websites, they're trying to extract a number of keywords so that they can put in their search engine, and they need a lot of content in order to do that. So if you have at least 1,500 words of content, you make their job much easier and you will rank higher because of it. So one thing to keep in mind when you're creating a website for yourself. The second thing I want to go through is the first section of the results of the Google search. These are the Google ads. And this is nice because it's prime spot. You can a lot of people click on it, but unfortunately, to get on here, you need to pay for it, right? So every time someone clicks on this link, the person that posted this ad, they will be paying for that click. So it's nice to get customers quickly through the door, but of course, it's quite costly in the long run. The second part I want to go through is the Google Map listing, and this is another nice place to be in the top 4 positions here, because you can quickly see the contact number and also the website. So very easy for customers to actually contact you. Statistics actually show that between 30 and 40% of all traffic that's searching for roofers Amsterdam will actually click in one of these 4 locations. So a lot of traffic coming to these 4 businesses over here. So how do you get into these top positions? Well, you need to increase your number of citations. Now, citation is basically your name, your contact number, and your physical address. The more directories you can get that can list that combination, the citations, the higher you'll rank in here. I normally try to aim between 100 and 200 just to be safe, to guarantee myself that I'm actually in the top positions. The next part I want to discover is the organic search result. Also very important because this is what Google sees as the most relevant for what you've actually typed into the Google search. Another good statistic is that 29% of people will actually click on the first link that they see, 15% on the second link, and 10% on the third link. Actually, only less than 9% of people will go past the first page of Google. So the majority of the traffic actually going to these first 3 results. How do you get onto this top 3? Well, that's when we look at the following. So we use a tool called Ahrefs. So basically what this allows us to do is we can put in a website address, and it spits out a bunch of numbers to us. So I've put in your competitor in here, and what we see here is the first one is the UR. It's the strength rating, the trust rating. This is what Google sees as how much they trust you, is out of 100, and these guys are scoring a 31. The DR is the strength rating, and this is how strong the website is in Google's eyes. And the next 2 numbers are important because backlinks and referring domains is what actually gets you on the organic search results in those top 3 positions. So typically the higher the number is, and also if you have good quality backlinks and referring domains, then you will get high in the organic search result. Now, a backlink, all that it is really just a link from another website to yours. It's basically a shout out from another website to your website that you basically exist, and the referring domain is basically that website that's pointing to you. So once again, the higher the number, the more people you can get pointing to your website, the better. The organic traffic, you will see there's 4,800 people every month actually finding these guys on Google. So a lot of traffic coming to their website, and of course potential jobs. The organic keywords, this is basically the keywords that Google has extracted from their website. That's the content I was talking about earlier. So we can take a look at a couple of the examples that we're actually seeing inside here. So these are the search terms basically that Google is, that people are actually putting into Google. I just want to find something that's relevant to you. So basically, if you take a look, if someone is putting in one of these search terms, you'll see this is the search volume that Google's picking up. So this is the number of people searching for this every single month. And because this is your competitor, the majority of this traffic, because they're number one, is actually coming to this website. And they're getting a lot of this traffic every single month. So just to summarize, if you're creating a website, please remember to make sure that your homepage is between 1,500 and 2,000 words of content, targeting those keywords that you want to be found for, so you can get easily found by Google. Secondly, if you want to be on the Google map listing, make sure you get your number of citations up, so you can be in those top 3 or 4 positions. And then if you want to be in the Google search results, in the organic search results in the top 3 positions, you want to get your number of referring domains and your backlinks as high as possible. So as I said, all these tips and tricks are free for you to use when you create your website, and I hope you do that because it will get yourself a lot of new jobs. If you want me to give you more advice or input, or even want us to help out, please give us a shout. I'll be more than willing to have a discussion with you and see what you need. Either way, I wish you the best. I would really appreciate it if you could just drop me a line of feedback if you found this video helpful or not. We're trying to help out a bunch of local businesses in the area, and your feedback will be much appreciated. Thank you very much and have a great day.